Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini in Google Docs to rewrite and summarize text. First, open Google Docs on your computer and open any document. In the top right corner, you'll see a small star-shaped Gemini icon. Click on this icon and you'll see the option to try Gemini. Gemini in Google Docs is usually available with certain plans, such as Google Workspace or other Google AI subscriptions. If you already have an eligible plan, you can start using it right away. If not, click Try at no cost and follow the steps to sign up for a plan using your Google account. After activating the plan, return to Google Docs and click the Gemini icon again. A side panel will appear where you can type a prompt. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize a document, generate ideas, or rewrite text. You can also select one of the suggested prompts or type your own request. Gemini will quickly generate suggestions that you can preview and insert directly into your document. That's it! T that S it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.